It's Sheet Fools. We're creating fun automations that are going to go into your sheets, boggle your sheets, boggle the mind, and wreak havoc upon those who are sharing your sheets. Today we're going to text tilt 1 degree every single day, actually. So go up to extensions AppScript and follow along. Here in the editor, I already have a bunch of functions. Go check them out at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. You can download this entire sheet, all of these automations directly to your Google Drive, copy paste them, put it in your sheet. Absolutely free, $0. Go check it out. But back to our editor, let's write a function tilt. And we're going to use this function every day. We're going to tilt it a little bit, the header row. Just tilt, tilt, tilt. That's going to be, like, let's say we're on the header row. This text rotation, we can rotate this any number of degrees we want. We're just going to increase it 1 a day. Let's create the range. Variable range equals spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet, get sheet by name, actually, automation. Let's get the get range A1 colon E1. That's the whole header row. Variable rotation equals range dot get text rotation dot get degrees. We need to get the actual number of degrees. Variable rotate equals, let's take that rotation and +1. And if we get to 360, we want to get it all the way back around. So we're going to do a divisor 360 so it doesn't go over 360. And now let's set range.set text rotation rotate. So that rotate is just this adding 1. Command S or save. We can now tilt and run. If we run it, it's going to tilt it just a little bit, 1 little degree. See, I can see it just barely. I can run it a few more times, get a few more degrees. And I don't know if you can see right now, it's tilting more and more and more. Really cool. But how do we do this every single day? Over on the left side, go to triggers. On the bottom right, go to add trigger. Choose which function to run. If you have other functions here like we do, just select the one we want to run. Go to from spreadsheet to time driven in event source, and here we can do it every hour, every day, every week. If we want to really slow over the entire year, it rotates all the way around. Let's do every day. Let's do it just before work, 6 to 7 a.m. Click save, and now every single day the header row will rotate a little bit. Oh, this will be fun. This will be fun in a year when it's all the way back around, or half a year when it's all the way twisted upside down. If you want to edit this, just click on the pencil icon. It's in your triggers, or delete it if you really want to delete it and end the chaos. Click the 3 buttons, click delete trigger to delete that trigger forever. Get all of these fun automations over at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed Sheet Fools. Check back. More videos coming out all the time.